How to make money with trading binary option. Anyone looking to invest money without a headache of doing extensive research, you should trade binary options. Binary option, while recently introduced in America, has been popular trading option in Europe and other places around the world. Binary option offers an investment giving the investor only two possible outcomes before the investment. The term binary option is two possible outcomes offered through binary option are simply all or nothing. Investors in binary option invest amount of money in particular option. The two investment options are either a call option or a put option. These choices are based on symbol of whether a particular stock price or strike price is trading above or below the mark in specific time frame called expiration time. The expiration time frame can be a hour, day, or even a week later. Investor will need to familiar with trends of particular currency index, stock, or commodity in a specific time frame in order to make the best decision possible. A call option, to put it simply, is investment on binary option that an investor believes will expire at higher amount than the initial price at the time of investment. For example, ABC stocks trade currently at price $26, and the binary option investor believes that strike price will be above the amount in hour. He would invest in a call option as the investment amount. If he was correct in assuming that initial investment will turn out of profit, otherwise he gain would be nothing at all, would have lost the initial investment. A put option is just the opposite of the call option. If investor believes the strike price will be lower than the initial price, then he would investment in put option. ABC stock has used in call option example closed at the expiration time below the initial price, the binary option. Investor who invest in the put option would gain the remaining profit. If strike price was above the initial price, then investor in the put option would gain nothing again. losing angel investor. Getting started investing in binary option is as simple getting signed up on a website platform that is specific in binary option. Investors should also keep in mind that like any investment opportunity, there is strike involved. Investments in binary option do that generate a profit and come with the risk losing investments in possibility short amount of time. While extensive research is not necessary, there is to a narrow area of research that needs to be done, and success would be determined by your investor familiar with the trends with the particular asset the investor will be purchasing option in. Thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad El Agati. Thank you.